Effective deal management isn't just about creating deals. It's also about being able to quickly view and analyze data, export information, and organize your work using automation. In this lesson, we'll talk about how to do this in SendPulse CRM. To view your deals and ensure everything is under control, you need to go to the required pipeline. Select your preferred view, Kanban, list, or calendar. In the Kanban view, the cards show the deal name, creation date, amount and currency, deadline, the assigned manager, and the number of comments. In the list view, deals are displayed in rows with the same details. Also, you can add or remove fields using the three-dot menu. Note that you can filter deals by date, deal name, stage, email, amount fields, and the assigned manager. You can also save frequently used filters for quick access. One of the viewing modes for deals in SendPulse CRM is the calendar. The calendar allows you to visually see which days have scheduled events, deadlines, or deal completion dates. This is very convenient if you're working with a large number of deals, have strict deadlines, or want to plan your workload for the week or month. Enter the CRM pipeline you need. In the top right corner, click the calendar button. What you can do in the calendar, view deals by date. All deals with deadlines are shown as cards on specific days. Switch between views, day, week, month. Click on a deal to view its card or make changes. Create a new deal directly from the calendar by clicking on the required date. Drag and drop deals to change their deadline right in the calendar. The calendar is useful because you can immediately see your workload for the day or week. You can plan calls, deal closures, and reminders. The calendar helps managers visually keep track of all upcoming meetings and see their tasks for the week without having to use filters or search. What if you need the data for reports or for importing into other systems? Go to your list of deals. Select the ones you need or choose all of them. Click Export, and the data will be downloaded as a CSV or Excel file. You can use the exported data for analysis in BI systems or to share with partners. There's also an option to move a deal to a different pipeline if you need to change the sales direction. Viewing filters, change history, and the calendar are daily tools that help you not only find the right deal but also better understand what's happening in your pipeline right now. These tools provide navigation, control, and a source of analytics all in one place. In the next lesson, we'll move on to automation, and you'll see how to get some of the routine work done without your direct involvement, including automated emails, tasks, and notifications.